Hello, welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. So Diecast Dude sent me a picture of this Volvo V90 Giftpack by Majorette, and I did some research and I found out that these were available in the Scandinavian countries. So I sent a picture to my buddy JK, and he was telling me, well, I'm flying to Helsinki soon, so I will have a look for you. And indeed he found some in a Prisma supermarket. So he brought one for me, and we met at the NAMAC event, the Diecast event, last Saturday, October 16, and he handed it over to me. So thank you so much, buddy, for that. It's very much appreciated. So very pleased to have this. Let's first take a look at the box. So you see in the background some modern buildings. Some people might recognize this. Maybe this is a Göteborg or something, I don't know, I'm just saying something. Here on the base we got some interesting stuff here. The packaging date is September 13, 2021. And my buddy found this, I think, October 12. So that's less than a month later. So I'm guessing these were flown in by airplane, because I think a boat takes longer to get there. Volvo V90 and the Volvo logo are registered trademarks used under license from Volvo Car Corporation. And here the barcode is interesting too, because it says SDN at the end, which I think stands for Sweden. But it's been found in several Scandinavian countries, not only Sweden. Maybe it will come down to more southbound to the rest of Europe. Who knows? Volvo definitely has a big presence here where I live. We have the Volvo factory and all that jazz. So who knows? We'll see. And then here on the back, as usual, we see the opening parts. Of course, on all 5 of them, they're the same. It's the doors that open up, which is kind of strange for a station wagon. But anyways, talk about that later. So let's get to the actual vehicle. First take a look at the base. So Volvo V90 scale 161, the reference number, the mother company or parent company, Dicky Spielzeug, made in Thailand. You can see the suspension bars, so of course it has suspension. We got lensed headlights. We got a painted grille, so no details in the castings, just completely painted, just like the Audi S5. And then it got some openings here in the bumper that we can see some black grille in the back there. That is probably part of the base. We got new style rims. I think these wheels are new for 2021. I've not seen these before, and or maybe I was not paying attention when I was doing my 2020 premium cars video, but I don't think I've seen these before. Got some side deco here. The B and C pillar are painted black. Interior wise, it's all black, so it's kind of hard to see in there, but we will see more on the other side. In the back we got the clip from the base that clips into the body. Got the taillights done. The Volvo name across the back here. V90 on the left, nothing on the right. And there's even some detail there on the base of the bumper for the exhaust. So that's a nice touch. Maybe it doesn't have an opening lift gate because of the shape of the tailgate, the lift gate. I'm not sure. Maybe that was the hardest part to do. Although we'll look at some other ones that they succeeded in doing that. So let's see if we can look inside there. Steering wheel looks very accurate. Something sticking out at the seat there. Don't know what that is, but let's see on the side. Dashboard wise, I can see the sensors system. Cool. The next one is the one that is on the box, the blue one. And as some of you might already have guessed, it's my favorite. Blue station wagon. Can't go wrong with that. Same details, obviously. Also the new rims, but without the chrome ring on it. Yeah, looks great. Then we've got the red one, that's my second favorite. It's a nice color red. It's not metallic. Although, well, maybe it is. Yeah, it's got some little bit of metallic in there, so yeah, it is metallic, sorry. Old style wheels, but no chrome on them. And we got the black version. Of course, the details show best on this black one. And then my third favorite, silver one, which will have difficulty showing it, the details on the back. Well, it's okay, it's not that bad. You can clearly see it. Job well done, I think. Now, if you get this gift pack and the car is having trouble rolling, you can fix that. Because these axles are kind of fixed, and wheels just turn on the axles. Just if one is going a little bit, has difficulty to roll, just pull on the axle, pull it out a little bit, and then it will probably roll easier. You can see here, by pulling on it, this one doesn't roll anymore. So I have to pull a little bit back and just make sure both of them roll nicely. It's an easy fix. Just pull on the wheel that's stuck a little bit to the outside, and it will roll easy. If that's important for you, just a little top tip there. So let's take a look at some other wagons by Majorette. Of course, here's the original, I would say. So this is the Volvo 245 DL by Majorette, an oldie from the 70s, which has the opening liftgate in the back. So that's the only disappointment I have of this new model, because otherwise it's very nicely done. I think it's a great casting, is that they did not choose the liftgate to open. Maybe Volvo wanted them to do the doors, or maybe the liftgate was too difficult on this model, I don't know. But yeah, definitely would have wished the back to open up. Here we got a Mercedes 300 TE. Suspension again, hatch opening up in the back. And it so happens that there's also going to be a Mercedes E-Class all-terrain released in the 2021 premium cars. So this old model also gets a new version, which is great. Here's a BMW 5 Series Touring. This one does not have an opening part. It does have suspension. And here's the Peugeot 508 SW, also opening up in the back. There was a Peugeot 404 brake in the 60s. Don't have an example of that. Never seen it actually. And here's a new 508 SW, which is also new for 2021. announced in 2020 but released in 2021. So we've got this old model being followed up by this new model. Got this old model being followed up by this old model, new model. This old model has a successor too, which I don't have, unfortunately. Now, Majorette, there's only one thing to do. You need to make a successor of this one, BMW 5 Series Touring. So there's 30 cars in the 2021 Premium Cars catalog, and 3 of them are station wagons, which is the largest amount of station wagons they've ever done in one set. And it's 10% of their production of premium cars is a station wagon. That's awesome. I think in a time where a lot of other parts of the world are switching to SUVs, us Europeans, we are going strong with the station wagons. And I love that. That's awesome. And yeah, I think it's great what Majorette is doing. They've been my preferred brand together with Matchbox for all my life, and yeah, they're still continuing to please me a lot. Very happy with that. So let's hope I can find the premium cars version of this, because there's a gray, dark gray one in the premium cars that I heard some people have found already. So let's see if I can get my hands on that one. And of course the Mercedes E-Class 2. Already have the 5.8 SW. So yeah, let's see when we can find that. Thanks for watching. Bye.